Volume of a cuboid. The measure of amount of space occupied by an object is known as the volume of the object. Look at this cuboid. All the arms of it has some dimension. Therefore, for the volume of the cuboid, let us assume that A is the area of each rectangular base. Height of the rectangular base is h, and the volume of the cuboid is V. Would you be able to figure out the relation between V, A, and h? The flat surface area occupied by each rectangular base and height is equal to measure of the space covered by the cuboid. Therefore, we get A multiplied by h is equal to V. The flat surface area occupied by each rectangular base multiplied by height is equal to measure of the space covered by the cuboid. Example: a wall of length 10 meters is to be built across an open ground. The height of the wall is 4 meters and thickness of the wall is 24 centimeter. If this wall is to be built with bricks with dimensions 24 centimeter multiplied by 12 centimeter multiplied by 8 centimeter, how many bricks will be required? Solution: since the building is composed of the space occupied by all its bricks, therefore we calculate the volume of the wall, which is a cuboid. Here, length is equal to 1000 centimeter. Breadth is equal to 24 centimeter. Height is equal to 4 meter is equal to 400 centimeter. Therefore, volume of the wall is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height is equal to 1000 multiplied by 24 multiplied by 400 cubic centimeter. Length of each brick is equal to 24 centimeter. Breadth is equal to 12 centimeter. Breadth is equal to 12 centimeter. Height is equal to 8 centimeter. So, volume of each brick is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height is equal to 24 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 8 cubic centimeter. So we can say that the number of bricks needed is equal to volume of the wall divided by volume of each brick is equal to 1000 multiplied by 24 multiplied by 400 divided by 24 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 8 is equal to 4166.6.